Terrence here with Root Healthy Plants, and today I'm delivering mulch to my own house. We're gonna remulch in front of my house with the shrubs and just doing a little maintenance on the ornamentals today. I got my truck with me, I got my machine with me, and I'm gonna offload these big bags of mulch. First I gotta untie my tarp. Got the tractor trailer today. Now I gotta climb up on this truck, take off the tarp. Gotta untarp this bad boy. All right. Now some of this mulch wasn't covered. Remove my straps here. It is now time to take the machine down and take these pallets off. Unchain my machine. I'm driving a Spider today, also known as a Moffett. Got one bag coming off. Round two coming off. All done here. Get off my trailer, pick up my straps, we're good to go. All right, so right now we got 3 bags of mulch, and I just weeded a lot of this area. I did very heavy weeding. So right now I'm getting ready to add in one of these big bags of mulch right here. This is not arborist mulch, this is just tree mulch. So I am done for the day. I weeded all of this area over here. I just wanted to give you a nice overview of what I am doing, what it looks like as I'm doing it, and what it looks like after I'm done mulching this area. It's fresh mulch, so it looks a little wet. It's going to look a little drier on the top as it continues to dry as the sun comes out tomorrow. But this is a beautiful view of what my landscape is going to look like as I beautify it at certain points. But my food forests are going to be filled with arborist mulch. This is just regular tree mulch, which there's no leaves or pine needles or anything added to this when they break this down and mulch it. Arborist mulch has all of that. So there's the difference. So we have regular mulch, regular tree mulch, and then we have arborist mulch, which has been breaking down for at least 5 years and is super fertile, and that's what allows me to grow in. That's the difference in my food forest and my aesthetic areas. So there's nuance to our food forest. There's nuance to the way that we grow and strategic implementation of mulch. So if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. If you like this video, let me know, hit that thumbs up, and please subscribe. We have so much more coming. If you got any requests on every future videos, put it in the comment section and I'll be sure to comment and give that same video that you request in one of the future videos. Let me know. Terrence here, Root Healthy Plants. I'll see you on the next one.